Hey guys, welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video, man. So today's video, guys, we finally got the new 12-inch subwoofer Qpower. It just came in today, guys, so I cannot wait to install this thing into the speaker box. We have a single speaker box, and I'm thinking about going with the 2-hole speaker box. So we're gonna see, man. But this speaker here is pushing out more watts, and it's gonna sound good, man. I can't wait to install it. But let me just show y'all what I got so far, man. All right, guys, so as I was saying, we have a Qpower Deluxe brand, and it's 1700 watts max, and then you get 450 watts RMS. So that thing is gonna be pushing, man. Like, if y'all never heard the system in my truck, oh man, come on, y'all don't know, y'all missing it, bro. But yeah, so this is a Qpower. It's got the stitching here, like I was saying on the last video. When you buy speakers, you want to make sure it has the stitching, guys, because if it don't have the stitching, then 9 out of 10 that speaker might not last that long. You know what I'm saying? But we got the big mag in the back. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it can fit in that speaker box over there. Let me go ahead and draw in real quick that one right there. So hopefully it'll fit in there, and yeah, we can get this thing up in there, hopefully, man. But if not, we can always get another box, guys. So like I said, I might still use that one too, so we're gonna see. But in the meantime, I gotta go to the garage and get the grill, and get my grill. I'm already thinking about barbecuing or something, man. We ain't barbecuing those speakers, but yeah, so let me go to the garage, man, and get the drill that I need to do this job with, man, because I can't use a grill for this type of job, man. I ain't trying to grill nothing. I ain't trying to cook no speakers, man. Hopefully we're not gonna be cooking any speakers in the car, man. So yes, let me go get this drill, man, and I'm gonna come back in the house. This is an in-house job, so yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to videos. I appreciate all the love, man, and support. I appreciate all the countries, all the cities, states, everywhere, man, that y'all are watching my channel, man. I appreciate to y'all guys, and much love to everyone, man. I hope y'all are staying blessed out there and staying safe, staying motivated, man. And yeah, man, so let's get to this install, man. Yes, indeed, man. Today, pretty much a gloomy day today, man. It's not really exciting. I've been filming videos like that here lately. I hate to film videos when it's not sunny out because the quality not so great. But look at the Crossfire though, man. Oof, looking good. Just wiped it down this morning, and now it's back dirty again, y'all. The wheels are dirty. Y'all just can't see it because the sun ain't out. But we got the truck covered up over here. We got the other project build over there. Y'all stay tuned for that video. And let's go to the garage, man. I'm still rumbling at the mouth, knowing that I got things to take care of. Hold on, guys. Let's get this thing open, and we're gonna grab that drill. Get to work, man. So hold on, let's see. Hopefully it's in here. I need to clean up this garage, especially my area. This is my area right here, main area I work in right here, guys. So I definitely there, man. Come on, let's go. Got the drill right here, y'all. Yes, sir. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so we back, man. So first, what I'm gonna do, go ahead and set y'all up right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get, hold on, let me move this stuff around, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the speaker box so that we can mount it up over here, and yeah, get this process started, man. Yes, sir. Like I said, we're gonna take this one out and then put the new one in and see how it go, man. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up right here so we can be able to, matter of fact, I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere else, man. Hold on just a second, guys. Just a second. We're gonna get this thing cracking, man. I might just put y'all right here. All right, y'all, let me make sure the trash got my trash this time and didn't pass me up. Trash people to come pick y'all trash up, man, and not pick it up. That's crazy, man. I don't like that. All right, back that up. I hope y'all can see me, man. So I'm gonna get this first one. And I'm a catty corn it too, y'all. So. And like I said, guys, I'm still gonna use this one too because this is not a bad. It's not really a bad speaker. See what happens, and we'll just go from there, man. Yeah, got the speaker out now, and I'll get this right, man. All right, guys. So this is how it looks, man. This is how it looks when you take the speaker out, man. Exactly how it looked. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and button up the new speaker, guys, and y'all just stay tuned because I'm gonna put the new speaker in. I don't want to show y'all all of that because it's gonna be a long process, but yeah, so y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when I get done. All right, keep it locked. All right, guys, so I wanted to show y'all, man, everything that y'all take out on the old speaker, you want to make sure you do the same for the new one because you don't want to crisscross and then plug in the wrong color code. You want to go with the right color code. So the same thing that's pretty much looking on here like the gray, you want to put on the black on the new one, which is going to be right here, and then the red, which is going to be the dark blue, gonna go on the red. So you just do the same thing how it is on this setup here. So you just want to make sure you do that, do it right, that way you won't have to keep taking the speaker out and you know what I'm saying, doing extra work. So just make sure y'all do it, you know, the right way the first time, and y'all gonna be good to go. So let me go ahead and button this up. I just wanted to let you guys know that so y'all won't be crisscrossing and all that, you know. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, guys, so I ran into a little issue, man. The speaker alone won't go inside the box because the hole is not all the way around. I don't know where I got this box from, man, but it's not rounded that good. So now I'm gonna have to take my grinder and kind of round the box out a little bit more. That way the speaker can actually fit inside the box, man. But yeah, it's just crazy, man. But I kind of figured out I was gonna run into something like this, but now I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work to get the speaker in. But let me show y'all what it's looking like. All right, y'all, so if you can see it, you can kind of see it that it's not rounded right. Like up in this area, it's not rounded all the way right. Then you got this spot right here that's kind of like a hump, and then it goes back down, and then this part right up in here goes like that and all that. So we got to get that straightened out, man, because that's how we got to get the speaker in. That's how we're gonna get the speaker in. So I did want to show y'all that they are the same height, as you can see right there. So it shouldn't be a big of an issue to get it in, guys. So y'all, like I said, just stay tuned. I got to do a little bit more fabbing, and we're gonna get it right, man. That way we can get the speaker installed. All right, guys, so I wanted to show y'all what all I had to do to make this fit inside of here, because I didn't realize that the mag on this one is like a little bit more bigger than this mag on this one. So, and y'all can tell that that one is bigger than this one. So whenever the speaker goes in, guys, it's hitting this back part. I guess that end right here is hitting this part. So what I had to do is go ahead and shave the inside of here a little bit. That way we can go ahead and get that speaker in flush, because if you can't get it in flush, it's not gonna work right. It needs to be sealed tight, you know what I'm saying? So that's one of the modifications that you might have to go through. I wanted to show y'all, but I used a 4-inch grinder, and I just pretty much used like a buffing wheel, and I went on ahead and just shaved the inside a little bit out like that. All you got to do is just make you a little groove, you know what I'm saying? Not even that much. So, and that's gonna fit in there. But now we're gonna go ahead and put this back in there, clean everything up, and then we're gonna test it in the car and see how it sounds. All right, guys, so we got it in the car, man. Y'all hear it? We got more bass. Yes, sir. You hear it, guys? Got that trunk rattling, man. Too much bass. Nah, it ain't never enough, man. That's how I wanted it. What y'all think, man? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Yes, sir. King's Life. We signing out, y'all. Peace.